Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with some related topic, that is the plasma membrane related topic. Okay, so these are very short topic, and first in my today's video I will try to explain one topic related to plasma membrane. Clear? And in my previous video I have totally explained the structure of the plasma membrane, so you just check out that video. And obviously, and these are the short note related to plasma membrane, obviously check this one. Okay, and before going to this topic I want to say that thank you to everyone for giving support on me, and I also request to the newcomers, please subscribe my channel and share my channel if this is helpful to you, to give your support to me. Okay, so today's topic is that the role of the Flippase and Floppase. Okay, so Flippase and Floppase, these are a related topic, obviously about the topic related to the plasma membrane. First, we have to know that there are some barrier, okay, to rapid spontaneous flip flop contributes to the maintenance of the lipid asymmetry. That means in my previous video I already explained about the asymmetry of the lipid molecule. So this is saying here that the in lipid asymmetry, when the lipid asymmetry is happening, there are some boundaries or barriers or some objections, okay, or obstructions are there. Okay, and other mechanism must be responsible for the regeneration of the lipid asymmetry. Okay, so what is saying that there are some barriers, but due to some help of substances, the lipid molecules, asymmetry of the lipid molecules is seen here. Okay, and with this, another important substances that are generally helpful for this asymmetry are the transmembrane proteins. Once again, the transmembrane proteins, plasma membrane transport proteins. Okay, proteins. So what is saying here that perhaps the most significant contributors to the maintenance and the dissipation of the transbinary lipid asymmetry are the proteins that catalyze the movements of the lipid across the membrane. What is saying that there are some proteins that help in the asymmetry of the lipid molecules throughout the membrane. Okay, and these activities are classified according to their substrate specificity and requirements of energy. Okay, so their activities are generally classified according to the needy energy and obviously the some substrate specificity. Okay, and direction of the transport, obviously. So three important topics are very necessary for the proteins and the lipid asymmetry. That means the activities of the proteins in the asymmetry of the lipid, these are classified according to their substrate specificity. That means what kind of substrates are attached with the proteins, direction of the transport, which directions is needed or done by the protein, and energy requirements. Okay, now two classes of transport activities have been described here that are responsible for the ATP dependent transport of the lipids. Obviously, these transportations obviously dependent on the ATP. So the most important activities are catalyzed by the Flippase. Flippase is what? This is a P-type. This is a P-type transports glycerophospholipid. Okay, transport glycerophospholipids. And this is not phospholipid. This is protein. Sorry, this Flippase Flippase, where is this Flippase? This Flippase, this is one kind of protein, and this transport the glycerophospholipid from outer monolayer to the cytoplasmic surface of the plasma membrane. Clear? So, Flippase is one kind of transport protein that transports the glycerophospholipid from outer monolayer to the cytoplasmic surface. Clear? Another second kind of protein, this is obviously ATP dependent proteins, and this is known as the Flippases, and these transport the lipid from cytoplasmic surface to the outer monolayer. Okay, cytoplasmic surface to the outer monolayer. The plasma membrane also contains another phospholipids, that is the obviously translocated and known as the scramblase. Okay, known as the scramblase. This scramblase ensures that both monolayers remain equally populated with the phospholipids. So, what is the function of this scramblase? Scramblase function is that the two lipid bilayer, that means one monolayer and another monolayer, they are equally populated with the phospholipids. If one monolayer there is the shortage of any phospholipid, then transport the phospholipid from another monolayer to this layer. Clear? So it maintains the balance of the phospholipids in the two monolayers. Clear? And it moves the phospholipids non-specifically in either direction along a concentration gradient. What I am saying that it maintains the concentration of the phospholipids between the two monolayers. Okay, but it does not need any ATP. That means it is not ATP dependent transport proteins. Clear? This requires calcium. Okay, this requires calcium. This because calcium, why calcium is needed? Because it activates the proteins. Scramblase proteins generally is activated by the calcium. So these are the actually functions of the Flippase and Floppase. Okay, so this is very short video. So just and this is the structure of the plasma membrane. These are the integral protein. You can see these are the integral protein, and here with the integral protein, one protein is attached, that is called the peripheral protein. Clear? And here this peripheral protein only attached with the lipid bilayer. Here is also, and this is also. Okay? And this is one lipid monolayer, and this is another lipid monolayer, and this is the head of one lipid, and this is the tail of the one lipid. Clear? So the heads are arranged just outer side and the tail arranged with the inner side. You can see the lipid monolayer. You can see that the head of the lipid, these are just situated outside the membrane. Okay, and or outwardly you can say, and the lip tails, these are arranged just inwardly. So two monolayers that make the lipid bilayer structure. Okay, so continue with me for getting the new video. So thank you.